In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable sleep mode on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer if you do not want your device going to sleep. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Windows Start button, and then you want to select or search for Settings. Best result, you come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to go down and locate Power or Power and Sleep. And then there should be an item that if you go down here underneath Screen and Sleep Timeouts, go ahead and click that drop down. Where it says Plugged In, Make My Device Sleep After, click the drop down and select Never. And you can do the same thing on battery if you have a laptop device. So you make those selections there, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.